Hey guys, my name is Brian Best with Sun and Sand Living, EXIT King Realty, and today I'm here with Phil Zaller, who is with Amerifund Home Loans. And Phil, just real quick before we get started, and this may be the springboard into what you were going to talk about,
Sure.
but I've heard that Amerifund is a broker, right? And there's a difference between a broker and a traditional lender.
Correct.
So for the people watching, can you just real quickly tell us the difference between a broker and a traditional lender?
Yeah, I think the simplest analogy would be, like your retail grocery store, like a Publix or something along those lines, and then comparing it to a Sam's Club or a Costco, like a big box store. So you're paying wholesale prices at a brokerage, whereas if you're going to a lender, there's usually going to be overhead because then you're going to have a building, you're going to have a name, you're going to have a company that you're going through. As a broker, we're able to cast a net across hundreds of different lenders, and so in one fell swoop, and so we're able to minimize cost, and that's what allows us to pay to provide wholesale prices for our mortgages.
Okay, so if you have access to all these different lenders, common sense would tell me that it may save time.
Oh yeah,
because you don't have to go shopping from one lender to the next.
that's correct.
They can just come to you. You say, okay, we're going to throw it out to all these lenders and see what we can get.
Yeah, that's correct, and have them fight over you.
Yeah.
Right, that's what it'll be. So you'll get your application in, one credit check, we're gonna pull your credit one time, and then we're gonna send it out over all of our different lenders. And like I said, they're gonna fight over you. So the best rate's gonna win. And we're gonna get on a Zoom call, right? And this is one of the things that I pride myself about, especially about Amerifund, is the customer service. We're going to get on a Zoom call. We're going to walk you through the loan, right? We're going to pull up that rate sheet, and we're going to go through each and every different one of those loans, and we're going to talk to you about it, and we're going to tailor make that loan to your specific needs as the individual. You're not going to get that 90% of the time at a retail store. They just don't have the ability, right? They're limited by their being a single lender, whereas a broker, we have the ability to reach out to hundreds.
And not only do you have access to these different lenders, but you have access to different products as well.
Absolutely.
Correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So you can truly customize the experience for the purchaser, right?
Correct. Yeah. So we're not limited to QM, qualified mortgages, or something along those lines. We do them all: jumbo loans, non-QM, FHA, VA, construction loans. You name it. If it's a type of loan that's out there, we do it.
And then there's some programs out there that may offer closing cost assistance.
Sure.
Like the Hometown Heroes. By the way, they're out of money, guys. So
yeah, that didn't take long.
It didn't take long. The next injection of money is when? Like August, right?
I think so.
Yeah. So there are other options out there.
Sure.
If you're a school teacher, if you're a nurse, or a first responder, there are other options out there for you. Phil can help you find those.
Yep.
So why would it be important for me to work with you as opposed to a different lender?
It's going to be the customer service. I mean, you're going to have somebody that's going to basically hold your hand from the minute you start to put in the application until you get cleared to close. If you have questions at any time, I mean, that's what we're there for. We're going to help to educate you, but we're also going to tailor that loan specifically to your needs. We're not just in there to shell out a loan. We really want to make sure that we're providing the best service that we possibly can to our client.
Right. And guys, when you have a team, a realtor and a lender,
that's right,
who's working on your behalf to get you the best price on a home, to get you the best mortgage rates, to get you the best loan that fits your budget, it's a winning combination, and that's what Phil and I do. We work as a team together, and we would love to have you guys on board. Again, my name is Brian Best, Sun and Sand Living, EXIT King Realty, 941-587-2551.
And I'm Phillip Zaller with Amerifund Home Loans, and you can reach me at 941-232-1939.